Hello, my name is Irfan Ali. My topic is the comparative analysis of electric vehicles, charging techniques, and cost effectiveness. So, first of all, what are electric vehicles? Electric vehicles are automobiles which are powered by an electric engine and electric energy. These electric vehicles are zero emission vehicles because electric vehicles can radically decrease vehicle exhausting pollution to improve the air environment and adjust the energy structure. These electric vehicles use motors whereas gas-powered cars employ an internal combustion engine. These electric vehicles are social, environmental, and economically friendly. Different charging technologies are used to charge the electric vehicles. Number one is plug-in charging system and second is wireless charging system. Wireless charging system is also has a subsystems. Number one is static and second is dynamic. These electric vehicles are cost effective because it reduces or eliminates oil imports. It has lower fueling cost and also lower maintenance cost as compared to gas powered cars. To implement the electric vehicles in future, the government has started different national electric vehicle policies and electric vehicles awareness program to increase consumer understanding. To modify the electric vehicle in future is also easy. We can modify electric vehicles by battery upgrading, electric motors, battery cooling system, electric vehicles tuning to increase the speed of electric vehicles, and also driving growth of autonomous vehicles through IoT and artificial intelligence based. Thank you.